welcome. Today, I want to tell you about my cooking adventure. We will make a simple, delicious meal together. And while I tell the story, I'll explain useful English words. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and learn naturally. I woke up feeling hungry this morning. Hungry means you want to eat. The sunlight came through my window, warm and bright. I smiled. Today, I want to cook something easy and tasty for breakfast. I went to the kitchen and looked in the fridge. I saw eggs, bread, tomatoes, and cheese. Perfect. I also grabbed a small pan, a spatula, and a knife. These are my tools for cooking. First, I put 2 slices of bread into the toaster. Toast means bread cooked in a toaster until it becomes brown and crispy. I smelled the toast as it popped up. Delicious. Next, I cracked 2 eggs into a small bowl. Crack means to open the eggshell. I added a little salt and pepper. Salt and pepper are spices that make food tasty. I heated a pan on the stove and poured in the eggs. I used a spatula to mix them slowly. Mix means to stir ingredients together. After a few minutes, the eggs were soft and fluffy. Fluffy means light and soft. I washed a tomato and cut it into small slices. Cut means to use a knife to divide food. I also added some lettuce leaves to my plate. Lettuce is a green vegetable. Now my meal looks colorful and healthy. I put the toast, scrambled eggs, and vegetables on a plate. Everything smells amazing. I made myself a cup of coffee too. Coffee helps me feel awake and ready for the day. I sat at the table by the window. The sunlight touched my food. I took a deep breath and started eating slowly. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty. Every bite made me happy. Cooking is fun and relaxing. While cooking, I learned new English words. Toast, crack, mix, fluffy, slice, and delicious. I also felt proud of making a simple meal with my own hands. Now it's your turn. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you cook eggs, toast, or vegetables? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English. Remember, small daily activities, perfect English practice. Less fear, more English. And always enjoy your food. See you next time.